Hello everyone, thank you for checking out this video. You are with Coach Stefbot from 32 Academy.
Alright, let's read the question together first. How many ways can the word mathematics be partitioned so that each part contains at least one vowel? So for example, they give you an example of how you can partition this. So first part you can put as MA, second part you can put as THE, the second part you can put as MATICS. So you notice each part in fact contains a vowel. A is in the first part, E is in the second part. In fact, the third part would have two vowels, A and I. Okay, so how many partition is possible if you want the condition that each part will contain at least one vowel? Okay, so let's try to solve this together. To determine the number of partition, in fact, we just need to decide the number of ways of inserting the partition between two consecutive vowels. Alright, so let me write down the word mathematics. Okay, so this is the vowel that I needed. This is the vowel, this is the vowel, and this is the vowel. Okay, so for each part to contain at least one vowel, the number of ways of partitioning this, it would be the same thing of the number of ways of inserting a partition between two consecutive vowels. So for example, this vowel A and this vowel E. Okay, I need to put a partition in between this so that each part will still have a vowel. So let me write down. So it is similar to the numbers of ways of inserting a partition between two consecutive vowels. Okay, if we even choose to insert a partition at all, if we insert a partition at all, because in fact you can choose an option not to put a partition between two vowels, but you cannot have a partition. Let's say I cannot have a partition, two partition in between two consecutive vowels. I would not have this. If I do this, you notice H alone, this part do not have any vowel there. Okay, but in fact I can choose not to put a partition at all between A and E. That means that it's just that A and E, both vowels are in the same part. Alright, so let's say between A and A I can choose this partition 1, this partition 2, this partition 3, or my fourth choice is to not have a partition at all. Alright, so that is 4 choices. Now between E and A, I can choose to have this partition, I can choose to have this partition. That is 2 choices so far. Again, I can choose not to have partition at all. 2, I would have 3 choices. And as you can already imagine, between A and E, I can have this as a partition, I can have this as a partition, or I can choose to not have a partition at all. So that would be 3 choices. Multiply this together. 12 multiplied by 3, so that is 36. We have completed this lesson. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Goodbye, and see you again in another lesson.
If you would like to learn more from these tutorials, please smash that like and subscribe button.